Hello, good afternoon everybody. This is my recent purchase, Allis d272 P3. She was found in a barn, stuck with standing. So what we've done, we brought her home, we took the injectors out, filled it with diesel, and we got a bar on it, the flywheel, as you will see from my previous photos. It still wouldn't do a full turn, so we wind it backwards and forwards, left it overnight, and then she finally went. So we towed it around the yard the other week, and we got it all nice and free. This morning I've recently been and picked up 2 new filters and some new oil, as you will see in my photos. And then we flushed it all through with the old diesel, put new fresh fuel in it. The starter motor wasn't quite engaging. Done a bit of cleaning up there on the old electrical terminals. And as you will see, we did have to use a bit of easy start. Not much, and she fired into life. I'm a very happy chap, considering there's only 50 of these tractors made, from what I hear, and she is a lovely original tractor. She will stay in the collection, and she will stay original, with a nice oily rag job. Very nice mud guards there, missing some linkage, which I will try and source. And yeah, very pleased. Nice original little gauges on here and clocks. Speedo, steering wheel, lovely patina she'll have. Nice transfer still to show in, local badge. Just makes it that much more appealing. And yeah, I'm a happy chappy. And many thanks, hope you enjoy.
John here had a foothold, a very slight foothold in the artist.